or I should say, hey gems, you guys are my gems. Welcome to another video. So today I have a few more products that I'm testing out for Matchbox Makeup Subscription, which is my subscription for fall 2022. And here we go. We have Maybelline lipstick. We have the shade 055 Taupe Seduction. And then we have shade 120 Berry Blackmail. Now, when you guys were filling out the surveys for the first box, a lot of you said you liked either neutrals or berries. So we got the best of both worlds here. All right, let's go ahead and try Taupe Seduction. We're gonna do some swatches. Oh, I've got swatches from BoxyCharm over there. All right, so Taupe Seduction, here she is. Definitely let me know what you think. Now let's go in with Z Berry. Berry. Ooh, there's the berry. Ah, yes. Okay. Go ahead and put those aside. Then we have by Beauty Creations. This is the Down to Earth shade of Perfecting Bronzer. It's a matte bronzer. It's for neutral undertone, and it is the shade 7. Down to Earth. I think I said that. Yeah. All right. So she comes with a mirror, and here is the shade. So there are different shades, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch her for you guys. It's the bronzer. All right. Look at that. Wait a minute here. Wait a minute. Let me see something. Do you guys see that? Oh, whoa, I'll be right back. Okay, I am gonna wipe off all the swatches here. I got my BoxyCharm Luxe, so I had swatches from that. All right, now we've wiped everything off. We need to dry my arm here. Gonna go ahead and grab a brush, and we're going to dip in with a brush. Let's tap. All right. That's much better. Don't apply it with your finger. Do not apply it with your finger. Okay. I was like, wait a minute. That looks patchy. But as long as you apply it with a brush, you are okay. You see that? I was like freaking out for a second there, like, wait a minute. But yeah, sometimes different formulas do different things and you've got to use them in different ways. And this here with a brush, just want to make sure, because yeah, just want to make sure you guys can see. The lighting is different. I'm in my room now, so yeah. It's blended out completely and it's not patchy. Okay, yeah. We are good. I was getting scared. Okay, so these are the next set of products that I'm going to be testing out, and I will be testing out for sure. I actually can add a little bronzer to what I got going on right here. Just so we can see it on the skin. That was weird. My phone froze for a minute. Okay, so yeah, we're good to go. Apply it with a brush. Do not use your fingers. All right, so the lipsticks, tell me what you think of the colors. Tell me what you think of the bronzer. And I will be adding more products as the next week goes. And I do have one influencer so far for Instagram that's going to be getting PR for me. And right now I've reached out to a few YouTubers. We'll see who comes back with yes, they want it or what, or even if they see my message. Oh no. So if there's somebody that you recommend, definitely put them down in the comments. And if you talk to them, go ahead and ask them, let them know, have they heard about this box? Maybe it's something that they want to try, they want to get in PR. I'm developing a creator program and I've put a lot of thought and effort into all of this. The things that are different with my box is that you get that 8-question quiz, and that helps me curate this box like right now. You know what I mean? I don't have anything pre-made. I make these boxes as they come in. As the orders come in and as I check out the questions that you filled out the answers to, and that's how I curate your box. And you're not going to get repeats either with the subscription because I get all brand new products each time I do a box. There are a few products in case I need to replace or whatever else left over from the first one. You might find them in the add-ons. The add-on store is up all of the time. You're going to find nothing but affordable makeup in there. And there was one other thing I had wanted to say about my box. Oh, unless I get a new order, like from somebody who didn't order from last time, and they asked, we'll say for red lipstick, which is not something someone asks for often. I had one person ask for red lipstick. They might get one of the lipsticks that weren't used from the beauty creations, but that's because they're a brand new customer and that's a lipstick that they may enjoy, they asked for. You know what I mean? Otherwise, you guys are going to get all new stuff each time. Every time. I have a website, you can check it out. It's going to be closing soon. I'm getting prepared for the fall box. So, and then what happens is it's going to open up to my Gem Squad members first. So those that pay that monthly fee on my channel, they're going to get like a full couple of days or weeks, or not weeks, but a week to order their boxes first. That's one of their additional perks. And this is an exclusive box. Not everybody's going to get it. I have it so personal for you guys where I package everything, I do everything, I ship it out, I make sure everything is good. There's less than 100 boxes, so not everyone is going to get one. I haven't advertised like a whole lot about this because at some point we're going to run out of boxes. And I want it to be exclusive. I don't ever want there to be to where it's so big. This is not about money for me. You don't make a lot anyway. If anything on subscription boxes, especially when you're doing under 100 boxes, and shipping is quite a bit. I mean, I charge $5 flat rate, but I pay more than that. And when I send it out, and I don't mind doing that. And I'm also offering to Canada and the UK, and I'm charging a flat rate of $15, but it costs a lot more than that to send overseas too. I'm actually doing this because I've paid attention to what you guys want and you don't want in subscription boxes, and I thought, I can do this. I can do this for them. I want them to get a box. What if this is the only box you get every month? Like you were getting BoxyCharm or Ipsy and you're getting repeat items in there and other things. I get so excited when my boxes come. For it to not be a good box, I'm like, kind of sad, if I get a repeat or if I get a beauty sponge in my box and it's one of my 5 full-size items. That I'm never going to do that to you. You're not going to get lip liners, you're not going to get eyeliners in this box. You're going to get makeup products, and you're going to get based upon what you tell me on that 8-question quiz. So if you have any questions, put that down in the comments. I will answer them for you. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm super excited as fall is coming. Do you guys see my leaves? I wanted to decorate my room since I did that extreme cleaning out my closet and everything. So I've got a few, well, you can't see the other ones. They're up there though. So I've got a lot of cool stuff coming. I'm even going to do a fall lookbook. I'm just so excited about everything. So if you guys haven't subscribed and you like beauty, you like fashion, you like unboxings, you want to hear more about my subscription box, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love it if you would share out this video. If you know somebody that would like to be a part of this channel, you know, one of my gems. And if you're new here, I would love it. You don't have to comment, but I would love it if you would say hello to me down in the comments. Let me know something about yourself. And I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.